How to review your box on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your box on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and click settings and then click activity log, and now just click groups, communities, events and reels, and not this one, click here profile information and go down until you find the box, and as you see here you can review your box on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.